Good morning, good morning, good morning. This is Tonetta, your social worker coach, and this is a change challenge day number 22. And this video is just mainly a check-in, I guess I put it that way, just to kind of let you all know where I am on my journey, and of course to get an update from y'all as well, to find out where y'all are, what's going on, how things are progressing or not progressing, or what kind of pointers do you need, what kind of tips or strategies or support do you need, that kind of thing as well. So for me, I'm realizing, of course, like I said, as I go along on this journey with this change challenge, that, of course, with the patience and the frustration, of course, I did get frustrated the other day. That was actually over the weekend because of a blender. My blender wasn't blending. I didn't fly off the handle. I'll get very upset, but I know I have to get another blender is all I want to say about that. But like I said, definitely otherwise, like I said, I've been catching myself a lot lately and that kind of thing. But like I said, that was the only one I did let slip up a little bit, which we're all going to have those slip ups. So make sure that you don't be so hard on yourself and know that you're going to have slip ups every once in a while, especially since you're trying to get into this change habit, changing your habits, changing something on your journey, that kind of thing as well. Just know that that's going to happen. I guess I put it that way. But the main thing I can say is that I was able to, of course, catch myself within about a few minutes, I guess I'd say, to, of course, calm myself down to figure out another solution, solve the problem that was going on, because the shake wasn't mixing up, that kind of thing, and it was stuck. It was too much stuff at the door and shake machine for one. So that was my fault. So like I said, it's not the shake machine, it was my fault. But like I said, definitely just knowing that I caught myself during that time, and of course was able to, of course, figure out which is the same solution I have just about all the time when I overmix the darn mixer anyway. But like I said, definitely just catching myself and making sure that I'm getting myself back on track and not staying too upset too long, and just, like I said, figuring out the solution like right away. So I'm going to tell you the same thing. Like I said, definitely just listen to my journey and what I'm going, what's going on. Just know that you're going to have some times where you're going to slip up. Just know that you're going to have times when you're going to have to keep, of course, like I said, catching yourself every time that you're doing whatever kind of behavior you're trying to change. Especially if you're trying to change it, you want to make sure, like I said, make sure that you hold yourself accountable and make sure that you stop yourself and stop in that moment and, like, what am I doing? What's going on? Why am I so upset? Or why am I not able to say no, or whatever the thing is that you're doing? Like I said, you have to stop yourself. Like I said, I can be here as a coach on the video and online, that kind of thing. I can't be there 24 hours a day. So you're going to have to start holding yourself accountable for these things. This is your life, of course. It's my life. I'm holding myself accountable and telling myself the truth about my behavior as well. We have to tell ourselves the truth. If not, we're not going to be able to reach the amount of change that we actually want to see and do. I guess I put it that way. So like I said, definitely hold yourself accountable and be honest with yourself. What's going on? Don't sugarcoat things to yourself. You don't have to talk out loud or tell anybody else. Just talk to yourself. Talk to yourself in your head or write in your journal if you need to do that. And just let yourself know what's going on, what's happening, how can I find a solution, how can I change this, calm myself down, how can I calm myself down, all those types of things. That, like I said, you have to hold yourself accountable. So with that, like I said, definitely thank you all for tuning in. Like I said, I definitely want to hear from you how things are going. Are you able to hold yourself accountable during this change challenge? Are you able to, of course, tell yourself the truth when you do slip up and what's going on and all those types of things? Like I said, definitely let your girl know. Like I said, you can comment down below in the video, or if not, you can, of course, DM me, or you can text me if you have my number, that kind of thing as well. So again, this is Tonetta Clay, your social worker coach. This is day number 22. We only got, what, eight days left. So we got 8 days left for this 30-day challenge. So like I said, I definitely want to hear from y'all how things are going. If you're holding yourself accountable, all those things. So with that, take care, y'all. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning in the next video. Peace out.